Again, welcome back to this YouTube channel, Maru's Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how you can set up the 5G, 4G, 3G internet settings on your Orange SIM card in Cameroon so that you're going to be able to access the fastest internet in Cameroon. So, if you're new on this YouTube channel, kindly don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like the tutorial, don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend, and then that is it. So, first step, like the tutorial, and then open your phone settings. And in your settings, you're free to use your search bar and then search the access point names. Alternatively, you're going to go step by step by choosing connections, then mobile networks, and then once you select mobile networks, kindly select the point which is access point name. So don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. And then once you reach the access point names, kindly select that press button, and this is how you're going to set up your internet settings in Cameroon on Orange SIM card. So you're going to come the name, you're going to use Orange, then 5G. Even if your device or even if your phone is a 3G, 4G, 5G devices, to access the fastest internet, use Orange 5G in your APN name. So the APN type or the APN, you're going to use internet, then select OK. Now this is the next steps are the most interesting steps, and in those steps I need to see you guys being more attentive. Now the port, we're going to use port 80. The username, you're free to set it as Orange 5G or leave it as it is. The password, you are free to leave it as it is. The server, you're going to put www.youtube.com, and then the MMSC don't set, the MMS proxy don't set. Now the MMS port, it is 80. The NCC, you're going to use 625, and then the MNC, you're going to put 02, and then the authentication type don't set. The APN type, you're going to use default, then comma, sorry for those emojis, it's a slide, and then comma, and then you're going to use default /SUPL. Then that is it. You are free to add your own settings so that you can be able to access, but these are the recommended settings for the fastest internet in Cameroon on Orange SIM card. So let us meet in the next tutorial. I sign out.